Electronic Daily Report. Work Logs module significantly improves the manageability and control of logbooks and helps prevent mistakes. Not handwriting is not clear. Provides organized better. The Capabilities module provides auto-archive of legal material is saved with the project. Simple and effective access to logbooks. Project officials authorized. Can work from anywhere and at any time, either through an iPad or a tablet. Search option and locating quick and efficient work of logs. Management and daily records on a daily basis of all work carried out on site, as well as classification by the appropriate item. An easy choice of materials is required from a database. A convenient choice of the requirement materials from a specific list includes typing the registration number of equipment. The electronic daily report automatically shows the equipment type and the amount of fuel consumed by the equipment. By tapping on a specific cell, a special purpose list will appear from which to select the resource. Log data is entered automatically into the various programs. The database of this program does not fill out a price that can be formed by a local operator. The program can update the reserved cell for the purpose of registering the activity of the item by method of insert/edit commit so that it can contain as much information about the activity. So that, at the future, a search can be done by topics cells above and find the required information. Editing the daily report can be done by two methods as follows. By a daily log, daily listing which transfer to the daily report program done by Timekeeper, or by transferring the information directly from the site by using smartphone technology directly to the daily report program, so that all the information is transferred in real time, including a link to a photo album dedicated to the item and the possibility to search by subject at the daily information cells.